Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we are going to create the Arduino Shield PCB. In the previous lesson we have connected the Arduino Shield to the LCD module, and now we need to move this LCD module to our PCB design. So what you need to do is click on Project, Update PCB, click Yes. As you can see, it's asking us if we want to add all of these changes, validate changes, and execute changes. Now click close. Now let's take a quick look at our design area. As you can see, here is the design area. Now in the PCB view, you can see that here we have the LCD item, which is the LCD footprint. You can click on the space bar to rotate it. Okay, now it's rotated up here. Let's drag it down here. That's it. Now we have it in the right place. We just need to route it. So when it comes to routing, you have multiple options. The first option is use manual routing. So you can click here and start routing items yourself. As you can see, that's it for the first wire. As you can see, we have connected it to ground. This is the first pin. You can keep routing other pins as well. Okay, let's connect it here. Now that's it. You can connect other lines as well. This is the first method, which is manual routing. Now, okay, let's press escape. Now, what if you want to auto route? Go to the tools section here, click on the auto routing. You can click all or click setup to see if there is options that you need to edit. Now, if there is no options that you need to edit, you can simply go to tools, auto route, all, and start routing all pins. As you can see, now it's routing 14 out of 14 connection routed. That's it. As you can see, all of these wires are connected correctly and there is no errors. To make sure that we don't have any errors, we can go back to the home and click in the design rules. You can check these rules to see if there is errors. And here we have rules and violations. If there is any violation, we have 0 violation. You can click apply. You can check for clearance constraints, click apply. We have 0 violation. So our design is good to go. Now this is how the shield looks, as you can see from a distance. And as you can see, we have the LCD module in the middle. We can click on the output and get our Gerber file, the assembly drawing, or choose the drill file. It gives you a wide collection of options. You can also do the design rule check from here. You can do the design rule check from here after editing the design rule options here and here if you have a very specific design rules, depending on the way that you are going to use to manufacture the PCB. Now again, here the design rule check, click OK. And here we have the netlist status, board information, and here we can export to step format, which is a format that can be used by a lot of machines. We can print the design directly And again, here we have a lot of other options that you can check out, but we don't really have time to see all of these options since this project is dedicated to the Arduino Shield creation process. Now, if you want to see the 3D, switch to 3D layout mode. As you can see, this is how the shield will look like. As you can see, it looks very similar to the Arduino Uno. That's because it's going to be placed above the Arduino Uno, so the pins have to be at the very exact same location. And here we will hook the LCD screen. That's it. This is how to create your very own Arduino Shield for LCD. If you have any questions, please ask in the Q&A board. Thanks for watching this course so far. Please don't forget to leave a review to help us improve and reach more audience. You can now choose any other template. You can create your very own custom Arduino Shield with the element of your choice, depending on the project that you are making. That's it for Circuit Maker. If you have any question, again, we will be happy to answer your questions in the Q&A board. Thanks for watching so far. Happy learning from all of us here at Educational Engineering Team.